If you want to take the pain out of painting, spraying is the only way to go. Spraying is 10 times faster than brushing or rolling, with little or no more prep than you would ordinarily do before a home painting project. Spraying is easier because it can get into places that are nothing short of tedious with a brush or backbreaking with a roller. And spraying delivers a pro-quality finish without brush marks or texture left behind by rollers. But it gets even better. That is, when you choose the right brand of paint sprayer. And when it comes to spraying, nobody does it better than Graco.
We, with the ProSpray technology at Graco, are able to atomize the material, unlike the competition. They throw the paint to the wall, we atomize it. We break it up, it provides a uniform, even distribution of the material on whatever surfaces that you're painting.
Graco, a professional finish, faster and easier.